Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञानवारिधि। आज मैं आपके साथ 10th जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को लेकर आई हूँ। सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन। Who has been appointed as the CEO of Waze, a crowdsourced GPS navigation as a subsidiary of tech giant Google? The new CEO is Neha Parekh. She has been the former Indian American president of the travel website Hotwire, who has announced that he is stepping down as the president of IBM. This announcement has been made by Jim Whitehurst, who had been the president and CEO of Red Hat Company before becoming the president of IBM, and he had served in IBM in this capacity for a tenure of 14 months. Which former Himachal Pradesh CM passed away recently? This is Congress leader Veerbhadra Singh, and he has served as CM of Himachal Pradesh for 6 times, MLA for 9 times and MP for 5 times. The union ministers has been reshuffled recently. How many ministers has been reshuffled? This number is 43. Yes, 43 ministers has been reshuffled. 15 ministers were inducted into the union cabinet and 28 ministers were inducted as ministers of state. Two-time Olympic gold medalist in hockey who has passed away recently is Keshav Dutt, and he died due to age-related ailments. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has decided to include retail and wholesale trade as MSMEs, but only for the limited purpose of priority sector lending. This means that these segments of businesses can now take loans under the priority sector lending arrangement under the MSME category. Government of India has created which ministry to boost the Indian cooperative movement and give fillip to the indigenous enterprises? This is Ministry of Cooperation. The Indian Army inaugurated a war memorial in memory of Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri in Gulmarg, near LOC. Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri was awarded Mahavir Chakra posthumous and he martyred during the Operation Birsa Munda in the year 1999. Which city to host 2022 Women's Asian Cup? These cities are Mumbai and Pune. After the Asian Football Confederation dropped Bhubaneswar and Ahmedabad as venues, these two cities are being selected. Who has been awarded the Humboldt Research Award for Economics? This award has been awarded to Kaushik Basu. Who has launched India's first FASTag or UPI based parking facility? This has been launched by Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, and this is the first cashless parking facility at Kashmiri Gate Metro Station in the national capital. Who organizes first edition of Indo-Pacific Business Summit in partnership with External Affairs Ministry? This has been organized by Confederation Indian Industry, also known as CII, and the theme is developing a roadmap for shared prosperity. This summit has been held on 6th to 8th July 2021. Who has virtually chaired 8th BRICS Education Ministers 2021 meeting? It has been chaired by Sanjay Dhotre, Minister of State for Education. This meeting is being held as a part of 13th BRICS summit being hosted by India this year? Recently, the president of which country was assassinated at his private residence? Haiti's president Jovenel Moïse was assassinated at his own private residence. Who is the author of the book Operation Khukri, the true story behind the Indian Army's most successful mission as a part of United Nations? This book has been authored by Major General Rajpal Punia and is being co-authored by Damini Punia, his daughter. This book is a first-hand account of Major General Rajpal and it is slated to be released on July 15. Recently, in which country 50 people have died due to the crash of army plane? This country is Philippines. Which country's major space station Tiangong remained in the discussion? This country is China. Which is the top state of India in the production of coal recently? This state is Chhattisgarh and it is producing 158.409 metric tons of coal nowadays. Recently, due to the increasing tension in the border districts of Andhra Pradesh and which state, police forces have been deployed on various hydroelectric projects. This other state is Telangana. Which country has announced intermediary guidelines and digital media ethics code? This announcement has been made by India. Panchmoli Lake, which was in the news recently, is in which state? It is in Gujarat and it is near Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's Statue of Unity and it is in news because of relocation of 194 crocodiles from the lake in last 2 years for safety of tourists. Who has recently approved the implementation of satellite TV orbits in India? This approval has been given by Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोज़ और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं, पसंद आते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.